How to make Instagram Reels up to 3 minutes long. Let's get started. First, update to Instagram app. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. You will be directed to the home page. Now at the top, you're going to find this plus option. Clicking on that, you will be directed to this page. Now here you're going to find different option. Set it to reel. Now click on the camera option. At the left hand side, you're going to find different option. Click on the option length. Now from here, you are able to select length for your video. You can set it to 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds or up to 20 minutes. Select the option of 20 minutes. Now you are able to make the reel up to 20 minutes. Just click on the recording icon and shoot it. And that's it. This way you can easily make Instagram Reels up to 3 minutes long. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.